Hello and welcome to another video. In this tutorial we going to learn about basic HTML structure tags. Let's start. Every web page contains basic tags which is HTML, head, body. Each tag has a start and ending tag. Ending tag contains slash before the tag name. HTML tag indicates start of HTML page. Head tag contains all the information about web page. Body tag contains content of web page. Next we are going to practice these basic tags. First create folder. Then drag and drop on Sublime Text Editor. If you don't have Sublime Text Editor, please watch our video how to download and install Sublime Text Editor with package control step by step. Right-click on folder, new file, index.html, press enter. Doc type. It's not HTML element itself. It's used to inform a website visitor's browser that the document being rendered is HTML document. Start with HTML tag. Ending tag. All others tags will be between HTML tags. Head tag. Close head tag. Title tag. Hello. Close title tag. Body tag. Close body tag. Hello again. Go to File, Save. Right-click on Sublime Editor. Open in browser. Congratulations, you just created first web page. Keep watching for HTML series with CSS and examples. Please subscribe and like our video.